Jerry is one of the gentlest souls that I've ever encountered. When I first got to Hale County, he anonymously bought me brunch one morning. You could always see him on the street helping people in and out of parking spaces. He's very quiet. He doesn't ask for attention. He is really just a fine human being. I asked if I could come to his house and photograph him one afternoon, and he told me about his Chevy Corsica, which had caught fire and created those incredible waves in the taillight. The title of the photograph is a line from the Bible, and I ended up doing that with all the pictures from Alabama. This one in particular felt so perfectly aligned with the photograph. It's titled, "After a Fire, a Sound of Gentle Blowing."